big one.
Daddy, this is all real? Or
Yes, dreaming. It's real.
who prepared this all? Mommy. You are daddy? I am daddy for coffee.
I wish.
What you wish?
Happy birthday to me. Thank you pa. Thank you na. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Tanggalay ng tao.
Anak lang. Who make this, James? Daddy?
Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
You go with Daddy?
You got it.
Really?
You wanna eat your donuts?
You can eat it.
I'll eat this.
Kiss mommy, go. Go there.
Come here. I want a kiss from my super son. Love you. Love you. I told her, Daddy.
Eat it. Yummy?
Love you pa.
Eat it. Eat it.
Hmm? Hmm?
That's James.
Hmm?
Love you. Love you.
Hey, you finish all the bowl?
It's okay, Daddy.
Is it real?
Real. You make this all? Huh? I thought you made the chips.
Wala. That's why you call me Daddy? Happy birthday. I'm old. Dreaming? Ang kutsilyo pa. Mamaya, tapos na. Sana all. Ayan.
Kata.
I wish.
Don't you say it.
I wish
Don't say it because you say your question.
to have
No, you're not going to you say that.
more cakes to slice, more candle to blow, and healthy lifestyle and
Mom!
healthy body for my
Mom!
family.
Mom, you're fine.
Wow!
Mom did not say it.
And my real wish is secret.
Oh, that's not real.
Daddy, thank you, Daddy. Thank you for making all so amazing. My Superman. Okay, have a bite. Have a bite. Cheers for everyone.
Hmm.
So, it's hard.
It's coming. Right.
Bite, bite.
Dance, dancing. Hmm? Hmm?
Do like this.
Papansin na. Papansin.
Ha?
Tatlo.
Your turn. Ito ba?
Hmm.
Ano ha? Pagpahaba ng buhay.
Pansit.
Depende sa mag-cake pa. Depende pa mag-cake pa. Ay, pulis kita. And then I'm not deserving.
Sige nga.
Ako.
Hindi pa ka deserve, hindi ka palitan.
Deserving daw.
Hindi pa ka deserve, hindi ka palitan ng iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Pero thank you sa A4 and thank you sa gift. 2022, the diamond to the iPhone Pro Max. Thank you for the cake.
Ay, ako, ang sama.
Donuts with coffee in the Dunkin' Donuts.
Kira.
Thank you pa. Thank you pa. Appreciate that. Thank you, James. Ang cameraman guys. He's showing his new. Thank you pa.
Welcome.
Thank you for everything. Hi, Jimmy.
Hey, James.
Hi, Jason. Do the orchard.
Hmm. Ha! Ah!
Do the horses.
Thank you pa. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing that I
Look,
received.
you know what? Do like this. And this. That's how you make a heart. Like on there.
Hmm.
So let's do the move. Like this. So you know the other one. Start. No, we don't start. That's not how you do it. You put like this like this.
I can't follow.
And do like this. Like this. Now we do the fusion.
Fusion.
Look. Up here. We do like this and this. Wait. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the blessing and thank you for everything. Thank you, Papa, for the blessing. Love you. I love you, words is not big enough, but thank you, words is not big enough. And I wish God is everything will give us the best life as being couple. Oh, pagpalitan ko.
Hey, what is that? James is not nice.
Because there's blood, now the plastic and the
Is that plastic, wait?
What is that?